Bye for now, room. We're now heading out. Sorry, can you please lock the door? Sure. Thank you. Ayusin natin to. I cleaned this earlier. And we're watching Maleficent right now while having dinner in bed. Sardinas to guys, so perfect na perfect siya sa white linen. Ayan, para pag natulog at aamoy siya sa kama. So perfect siya. Yay! Pwede pa rewind.
Rewind?
Yeah. Hey guys, so it's Monday again and I need to work. It's February 10th, and I'm actually getting ready for work. So this is so far how my bed or my headboard looks like, and you now see how it's coming along. I always tie my blanket here because I don't want it to touch my face when I'm sleeping. Yep. Bye! Need to make some living. See ya! By the way, this is my outfit today. So I'm just wearing this long sleeves from H&M. This is from Zara. I haven't worn my shoes yet. I'm gonna be wearing white sneakers again. Hey guys, so today is Thursday and I'm getting ready for work, and look what just happened. My Wet n Wild contour palette broke into pieces. It just fell right on the floor. I'm actually late, so I'm gonna have to fix this later. I come back. And this is my outfit of the day. This is my favorite top. This is from Uniqlo, and I'm wearing Levi's. I'm not sure what model or what style this is. It's just straight cut, and yeah, bye. Morning guys, so it's Saturday again, and as you can see over there, I'm doing my laundry. I put this here because it's easier to access since the toilet is here. So I'm just excited to edit because I haven't been editing videos for the past, I believe, 2 weeks. So I'm excited for that. And I'm excited to clean this mess also. I just woke up. But this is how I do it basically. So I separate the jeans from the blacks, and then the white ones are already in the wash. Hey guys, so it's slightly less unsightly now because I already fixed the bed, and I moved our laundry basket to the laundry room. And I need to close this because it's ugly. Time to edit some video. And do you guys know what these are? You guys know. Just want to show you how much I spend on lottery tickets here in Singapore. It's $8, but it's 4 draws. Yeah, so So far, I haven't won yet, which is sad, but it's just life. Okay, so these stay there, and my charger I need to find. I think it's here. It's not here. It's here. A mouse. It's right here. My phone. Mouse. Or mouse pad. Okay. Hi guys, so it's Saturday and we're going to Orchard again. Didn't get a chance to have a date yesterday, that's why we're going to Orchard today to have our dinner. So I'm just wearing this turtleneck from, I think it's from, no, it's from H&M, and this is from some bazaars we went to when we were in Malaysia. And yeah, I'm just gonna wear my white sneakers as always, and it's raining. We hung our clothes here. Okay, faster. Bago yung menu nila guys, meron na silang all day breakfast. Ano gusto mo mag-long silog? Gusto ko talaga, yung favorite ko dito is itong favorite niya rito. Ba't puro set na baby? Wala naman. Parang onte. Ay, kasi walang pakbet. Okay.
Gusto mo ba?
Done with dinner. We're just doing some window shopping.
Papabigat 3 kilo. Anong bibili natin? Tingnan mo. Ganda pa naman.
Pabigat.
$45 guys. 3 kilos yung bigat. Immunity juice. I'm having my immunity juice, and it's for the coronavirus prevention. And he's having his red ano?
Red Royale.
Red Royale.
This pan is the best invention ever. It's called Shogun Japan pan. Really like this pan. So we just do that. Set it to the lowest level. And hindi ko kaya yung one-handed. So, okay. Nice. One more. Okay. This is for my husband. He normally eats 2 eggs per meal. Then just put salt and pepper. Hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng oil, kaya favorite ko tong pan na to. You don't need oil. And it's gonna be perfectly cooked. Al dente. Charot. May pepper na.
Ha?
Garlic. Okay, fine. Sprinkled garlic. This is done. Gusto ko toasted talaga. So, ayan yung itsura niya.
Green tea ba sa'yo? Jasmine?
Ito yung niluluto. Ito yung ginagamit namin because para hindi makontain lang yung mga talsik-talsik na mantika. Konti lang lilinisin. I-remove muna namin yung excess oil. Kasi magka-clog yung sink. Yung pores. Magka-clog yung sink pag hindi. And what are you doing? He's making his coffee. Mine is tea. I'm gonna get my tea. So the egg is cooking. Biglang pumutok, no? Nakasan nga natin ang onte. Yan. Para maluto. Makakain tayo. Actually, ano na, nasa 10 plus na kasi late kami nagising. Nice. You see through. May moon natin dyan. Okay, so the egg is done. Just need to do this. Ay, shit, nabasag yung ano. Baby, tulong, please. Please. Hindi, you need yung ano, tinidor or kutsara.
Ano ka eh? Wala na to eh. Tuyo na. Hindi nakakalat sa kanin.
Yun ba sana ang gusto mo mangyari? Gusto niya palang kumalat sa kanin yung itlog. Sorry for not cooking the best egg this morning. I'm not a perfect wife. But you're not either! Charot. Now, my turn. Nice and perfect center talaga siya. I feel so complete. And yay! And syempre, ang ating Kinder Bueno. This is my favorite snack. Try nito guys. Sobrang sarap ng Kinder Bueno. New Kinder Bueno! Morning! Ganda ng condo nila, guys. Ayan yung condo, and then yung tinitira namin is an HDB. Parang ganun yung sa amin. That's an HDB. And yung mga ganyan magaganda is a condo. Tapos meron silang swimming pool. Kami wala. Ang ganda ng araw. Yay! Time to eat. Egg. Let's eat!